Welcome to another recipe, guys. Today I want to show you how to keep your home fragrant and away from insects. All kinds of insects, flying insects, crawling insects. The major thing you need is orange peel. Orange peel, dry it a bit and then you cut it into pieces and put in a clean container. What you are making now will help your home to remain fragrant and free from insects, all kinds of insects. There are many ways you can use this orange peel to drive insects. Another video I will show you how you can burn the orange peel and it will drive away insects. But in this one, you are going to be using it like your liquid air freshener, and why is keeping your home fresh is sending all the insects away. So after picking the orange peel, then as you have cut it into a container, you are going to add water. There are only two ingredients, the baking powder and orange peel. This recipe is wow. I've been using it for a while now and it's really nice. Just scoop your baking powder, 2 spoons, depending on the quantity you want to make, and pour it in there. Then add your water. Just add water to fill up the peel. Make sure the water covers all the peel. So you cover it, shake it and keep. Shake it like this, you can see, and then keep. What we are trying to do is to extract the fragrance of the peel. So after about 2 weeks, now it's time for me to filter it. Say about 10 days, it's time for me to filter it and show you how to use it. So you get a nice sieve like this and then you pour the liquid out of the mixture. You can see the color has changed. All the fragrance on the orange peel has been extracted. That is what is responsible for the color change and still very fresh. So now you have filtered it. I ran it into the bottle I want to use to dispense. You make sure that you have a dispenser. There are different types of dispenser you can use. There are different types. So when you go to the market, you can see different types of dispenser. But I like this very one because it does not block and it keeps dispensing. This particular one, I've used it before. I'm using it again and it's still fine. So you look for a better quality one to buy. You can see the color, no added color. Now you just cover it and your air freshener is ready. That is 2-in-1 air freshener. It will keep your home fresh and drive away insects. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like this video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Please, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe before you go. Thank you.